Uh, we're studying a new kind of the theoretical model for a new model called flow-K topological insulators, and basically it can conduct electricity without the influence of defect inside the materials. And the reason why this material is called flow-K is because of a time-dependent influence of a term in the equation that make the material easier to make, like to experimentally realize it in the lab easier, compared with the traditional or what people studied before as a more general topological insulators.
Right now we're basically trying to verify what other people have done. So try to write numerical simulations to confirm the relationship between these topological invariants and the edge states. So at the end, I think we're going to present like a summary of the field, like what people have been doing, and we're going to produce some nice pictures and photos to show, so we're able to realize these in real life.
It really requires you a really good understanding of math, but if you're interested in it or you want to see how it looks like, I would definitely recommend it. Or if you're interested in physics, because they're pretty relatable. Yeah.
Find research to be very, very different from doing problem sets or taking classes, because we're actually tackling like open-ended questions. And on like problem sets, we don't know like which method we're going to use. So during research, we have to like come up with the ways to like make everything work. So I think it's actually more like a creative process, which is actually harder than I think. And I also begin to appreciate more, like academic discussions. So like through, just discussing these concepts with the professor, with the grad students that's been supervising us, and with team members, I think I'm getting like more insights and getting a deeper understanding of the concepts. And through discussing, these stuff with people, you actually get new ideas on how to approach the problem. You get new insights that you can't really come up with if you're just sitting there on the desk, thinking on your own.
I'm also really interested in physics, and I want to learn more about quantum computing or quantum computers in the future. And the thing that I'm studying now is kind of related with that. So it's like a really good starting point to explore my future research or my future career even.
I think if you're interested in research in general, or just want to learn some interesting math or interesting physics, I would definitely recommend it. I mean, the professor is very approachable, and he's just explaining stuff in a very clear way, make sure we understand everything. And I think I got a lot of experience coding and just exploring a subject by myself, and through the help of the professor and the grad student.
And I really appreciated that Duke can offer this summer research opportunity, because I heard that maybe some other institution in college, they don't really have this sponsored relation, this kind of sponsored experience.